If you're tired of dash cams with grainy footage that can't read license plates, unreliable parking mode that misses incidents, or complicated setups requiring professional installation, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best dash cams that deliver crystal clear video, reliable protection, and easy installation across every budget and use case. From compact single-camera solutions to comprehensive 3-channel coverage, these dash cams prove you don't need expensive systems for quality evidence capture. Whether you're protecting against insurance fraud, documenting road trips, or monitoring your parked vehicle, we've got the perfect dash cam. I've dropped updated links in the description. Let's get into it. At number 5 is the Garmin Mini 2 at $100 to $150. The Mini 2 features ultra-compact design smaller than a key fob. The discreet size minimizes windshield obstruction. The 1080p resolution captures clear footage for everyday incidents. The 140-degree field of view covers 2 lanes adequately. The built-in GPS tracks location and speed. The Garmin Drive app enables easy footage review. The voice control allows hands-free operation. The incident detection automatically saves footage when impact detected. The magnetic mount enables easy installation. The Vault cloud storage provides automatic video backup. For minimalists wanting discrete camera, casual users needing simple setup, or anyone prioritizing compact size, this delivers straightforward protection. The basic 1080p resolution and single-camera setup place it at number 5. At number 4 is the 𝗖𝗍𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗍𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗍𝗂𝗍𝗂𝗍𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂 Pro features genuine 4K resolution at budget pricing. The Sony STARVIS 2 sensor captures exceptional detail, enabling license plate reading even at distance. The 150-degree field of view provides wide coverage. The night vision performance is excellent. The built-in GPS tracks route and speed. The app connectivity enables easy footage review. The ADAS features include forward collision warning and lane departure warning. The parking mode monitors vehicle with time-lapse recording. The supercapacitor withstands extreme temperatures better than batteries. For budget-conscious buyers wanting 4K quality, rideshare drivers, or anyone seeking value flagship features, this delivers impressive performance at competitive pricing. The single front camera and basic parking mode place it at number 4. At number 3 is the Viofo A329S at $200 to $300. The G900 features comprehensive 3-channel coverage with front, rear, and interior cameras. The front camera records in 4K. The rear and interior cameras record in 1080p. The 360-degree coverage captures incidents from all angles. The front camera includes 170-degree ultra-wide field of view. The interior camera with infrared night vision monitors cabin and darkness. The rear camera provides clear backup camera functionality. The 10-inch touchscreen mirror display provides easy review and camera switching. The parking mode monitors all 3 cameras. The GPS tracks location and speed. For rideshare drivers needing cabin monitoring, families wanting comprehensive coverage, or anyone requiring all-angle protection, this delivers complete surveillance. The higher price and complex installation place it at number 3. Coming in at number 2 is the 𝗣𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀 S1 at $250 to $350. The 𝗣𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 S1 features premium 4K front camera with Sony STARVIS 2 sensor. The 1080p rear camera provides clear rear coverage. The image quality is exceptional with excellent dynamic range. The HDR and WDR ensure clear footage in challenging lighting. The advanced parking mode is standout feature with buffered recording capturing pre-event footage. The low-voltage cutoff protection prevents battery drain. The motion and impact detection sensitivity is adjustable. The cloud connectivity enables remote live view and instant alerts. The cellular connection works without phone or Wi-Fi. The premium build quality feels solid. The GPS tracking is precise with detailed route mapping. For premium buyers wanting best parking protection, users needing remote monitoring, or anyone prioritizing image quality, this delivers flagship experience. The premium pricing and subscription for cloud features place it at number 2. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Viofo A329S, earning this position by delivering the best overall balance of image quality, features, reliability, and value. Pricing runs from about $200 to $280. The A329S features flagship-level 4K front camera with Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor. The sensor technology delivers exceptional low-light performance, capturing clear footage in near darkness. The The 2K rear camera provides excellent rear coverage, matching many front cameras in quality. The dual camera setup covers front and rear comprehensively. The front camera includes 140-degree field of view balancing coverage and detail. The wider angle prevents license plate distortion while maintaining adequate lane coverage. The rear camera 145-degree field of view ensures complete rear visibility. The field of view optimization maximizes usable footage quality. The image quality is genuinely exceptional with superior dynamic range. The HDR processing balances bright skies and dark shadows. The night vision performance captures license plates clearly in low light. The video clarity enables reading plates several cars ahead. The 4K resolution combined with quality sensor produces evidence-grade footage. The built-in GPS module tracks location, speed, and route with high accuracy. The GPS data overlays on footage, providing comprehensive incident documentation. The speed tracking helps verify driving behavior. The route mapping enables trip documentation. The parking mode is comprehensive with motion detection, impact detection, and time-lapse recording. The low-voltage cutoff protection prevents battery drain, protecting vehicle battery. The parking mode sensitivity is adjustable, preventing false triggers. The buffered parking mode captures pre-incident footage, showing what led to impact. The build quality is excellent with premium materials and solid construction. The heat resistance handles dashboard temperatures reliably. The capacitor-based power ensures operation in extreme temperatures where battery-powered cameras fail. The reliability inspires confidence for daily use. The dual-band Wi-Fi provides fast footage transfer. The Viofo app is well designed, enabling easy review, settings adjustment, and firmware updates. The app stability is excellent without frequent disconnections. The user interface is intuitive, simplifying operation. The voice control enables hands-free emergency recording. The voice announcements confirm recording status. The loop recording automatically manages storage. The G-sensor sensitivity adjustment prevents excessive incident file saving. The installation is straightforward with quality adhesive mount and long cables. The cable routing is clean with provided clips. The hardwire kit option enables parking mode without battery drain. The professional installation is unnecessary for basic setup. The storage support includes up to 512 GB microSD cards. The large capacity enables extended recording before loop overwrite. The card compatibility is excellent with various brands. The storage management is automatic, requiring no intervention. What makes the A329S #1 is delivering flagship image quality at mid-range pricing. The Sony STARVIS 2 sensor produces genuinely superior footage compared to budget cameras. The 4K front and 2K rear combination balances quality and storage efficiency. The low light performance ensures clear night footage. The parking mode reliability protects parked vehicle comprehensively. The buffered recording captures crucial pre-incident footage. The voltage protection prevents battery issues. The overall parking performance rivals premium cameras. The build quality ensures long-term reliability. The capacitor design survives temperature extremes. The materials quality prevents premature failure. The construction inspires confidence. The value proposition is exceptional, providing flagship features at competitive pricing. The image quality matches cameras costing significantly more. The dual camera coverage eliminates rear camera upgrade needs. The complete package delivers professional results. For drivers wanting best evidence quality, insurance claimants needing clear footage, rideshare drivers requiring proof, parking lot incident protection, or anyone seeking best overall dash cam value, the Viofo A329S delivers exactly that. The combination of exceptional Sony STARVIS 2 image quality, reliable dual camera coverage, comprehensive parking mode, excellent build quality, and outstanding value pricing makes it the best dash cam you can buy right now.